Hello, guys. Now, so we have a fan here, uh, uh and it looks quite nice. I'm going to show you how to make that fan. Uh, it's going to be quite nice. It's a nice fan. It's going to and it should spin very fast. But I can't make something spin on this, so let's get right into the code. Actually, engine free. It's meant. I originally named the engine, but I changed it to fan because although it's an aeroplane engine, you might refer that as a car engine. So I'm going to call it a fan. Import turtle fan equals turtle dot pen. Anyway, what the anyway. Fan dot speed 0. Fan dot width 50. So def blade. Uh, actually, what's it called? Length length size length for average length. Uh, fan dot forward. Fan dot forward. I divide by 10 times size. Actually, is it size? I think. Fan dot left 1. Fan dot right length. Actually, because because you have to reset it. It's this is much simpler than the content that I usually create. So let's actually wait. No. Turtle dot done. Uh, for range 100. Nah, not 100, but 15. I think that's 15. 1, 2. Actually, it's not 15. It's 20. Let's shut it down. So 20. Uh, blade. 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 I'm not going to make any Technoblade reference. So just blade. Blade 100. 100. Fan dot left up. Fan dot go to 0 0. Fan dot down. Fan 0 0. Fan dot left. Oh, what was it? 365 by 20. That's 18. And then although you could do it without it. You could do it without that. So it looks like that is the engine. Uh, so it's going through it. So and the original one had a circle in it, but I didn't include that into the code, and and this is and this actually takes quite some time though. So yeah, it's looking pretty nice though. It's actually very nice. Yeah, nice. It just needs to complete. Uh, Almost done. Right, it still looks like there's a gap, huge gap. Oh, the last bit. Hey. Yep, that's done. So now, fan dot up again. Not yup, but fan dot forward 460. Fan dot down. 460 is because I tested it beforehand and found out it looks quite nice, so I used 460. Uh, Fan dot down. Fan dot right 90. Uh, Actually, not right. Wait, what? Left. Wait, yeah, right. Dot circle 450. Now let's run. In the original code, was it right? Nah, I think I did it incorrectly. So it's not that. 460. Not right, but left. Actually. And now it's go it's drawing now. Hmm? Yo. I might even do a mini spiral inside. I might even do a mini spiral inside so that it actually looks quite like one. But it will probably take too long. The video will be too long actually. Actually, while that's running, I might even actually do it with middle. Uh, Fad dot up. I actually should make that a function though. Uh, Go to 0, 0, fad dot down. Blade. F spin mark. Spin mark. 100. Uh, Spin mark. 1. Actually, fad dot width. 5. Spin mark 1. 500. So that's done. Now that's looking pretty nice actually. So I've done it successfully. Uh, uh, Originally it didn't have a spin mark here, but I am going to include a spin mark. I hope it doesn't even go wrong. Actually, let's do the spin mark separately. Uh, Spin just to save time. So let's do it separately in case it fails. So actually, wait, what? No, I forgot that. Actually, I got to cancel that because I forgot to fan the dot color white. I forgot to do. Now, for not that for iron rage. Well, import turtle. Uh, Fan equals turtle dot pen. Fan dot speed 0. Fan dot width 5. So 500. Now let's do it. Way too big. Way too big. Way too big. 300. So could be smaller. Uh, let's do it this way. It's going to be extremely slow, I know. This will be too big though. Yep, it's definitely too big. Yep, it's definitely too big. Okay, so that's good. Let's now integrate it in here. Engine 3. Let's now integrate it here. Wait, I copied all of this. Uh, actually, wait, no, 900. So that is a multiple of 60. Wait, is 900 a multiple of 60? I think it is. Yep, it is a multiple of 60, which is good. And let's see how it tries out here. 900. 900. Anyway, which is going very nice. Ooh. Which is going very nice, but it's actually very inefficient. I could increase the efficiency by changing the fan dot left one, because that could actually be a huge step in the right direction and increase the efficiency. Yeah, because they create so slow. Sometimes it's inevitable, but sometimes it's quite good. It's taking too long, so I'm going to make it a bit more efficient because you might be bored waiting here. Sorry about that. Length length divided by 10. 10. Length divided by 10. 10. Would it? Oh no. Flow object cop. Aha. We'll probably have to do integer division. Integer division. Now it should work. Oh no. So looks like I created a very huge problem. So looks like I can't just do that. I divide by 50. Still doesn't work. It's probably the idea as it's just not good. Because it's not just that. Because it's not just that. Because it just has to go 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus dot 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 like that. So it looks like it's inevitable. But looks like we have got a nice spiral here, which is nice. That's good. So that's it. Thank you for 47 subscribers. Uh, that's a fan done, which now looks very much like an aeroplane engine. And that's the end of this video. Goodbye, guys.